whole universe is in our hot and state. Nearly 14 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the Neanderthal began to drool, Neanderthal developed a tool, we built a wall, we built a pyramid. Math, science, history, and revealing the mystery that all started with a Big Bang.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Welcome to the premiere episode of Sheldon Cooper Presents Fun with Flags. Bazinga! I'm just kidding, my name is Akito and today I'd like to teach you how to play Big Bang Theory theme. There are only 5 chords you have to learn. The first chord you need to know is C added 9. That's really easy, you know. This chord, so play bottom 2 string of the 3rd fret. My favorite is with your ring finger and your pinky, like this. And the next chord is D. This is really simple. So yeah, from top, put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, middle finger should be on the 2nd fret 3rd string, ring finger should be on the 2nd fret 2nd string. That's C. And the next chord is G. This one. So pointer finger should be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, middle finger should be on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and your ring finger should be on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's G. And the next chord is D6. Well, it's a little bit tricky chords. Play bottom 3 string of the 2nd fret. So the way I play in the video I showed you is that, you know, just play like this, alright? So after G, I play this, you know, D6. So just play middle 2 string of the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. Middle finger should play the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and that will make D6. This is a little bit like weird sound, but it creates really nice sound. And the very last chord you need to know is E minor 7. So E minor 7 goes like this. So play this chord with your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Middle finger should be on the 2nd fret of the bottom string. That will make E minor 7. Alright? Now I'm going to show you my right hand technique. Right hand is really simple. Okay, for C added 9, you have to play down, down, up. Then move to the next chord, D. Down, down, up. Then G. And D6. And lastly, down with E minor 7. Just repeat this one to make the song. It's really easy. At the end, like this. Oh, start with a Big Bang. So at the end you don't play. Instead you play only G. And that will make whole tutorial. I hope you like it. I love Big Bang Theory, so that's why, you know, I wanted to play this song and I figured it out for the ukulele. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and live long and prosper. See you in the next video. Bye bye.